Good morning. It is a very special day. It's Emma's first day to go fishing. And it also happens to be, what day?
International Fishing Day?
Happy International Fishing Day.
It's not a thing.
It's not a thing. You just made that up and decided to call it that. What it is it's actually a license-free weekend. It's a day in New York State, or it's a couple of days in New York State, where people who don't fish or who don't normally fish have a chance to go out and they don't need to buy a license. They can do it just for fun. It helps people get into the sport, and as Emma's first day out, I think it's a perfect time.
How beautiful, look. Don't drop my phone. No. Okay, what are you doing?
All the clams are gone. Somewhere down in there we threw our clamshells from last night, but they're gone. I think the water pushed them away.
I have my fishing hat ready. It might rain because the weather is
Put the fishing hat on.
Oh.
You gotta see it. There she is. Hold on. Look at her. Big boots, rain jacket, fishing hat.
It might rain,
Wait a minute.
so we
What's
don't
it?
know.
Is that water or is that vodka? Is that baijiu?
It's water.
Oh, then you're not a real fisherman.
You don't drink wine or you don't drink alcohol.
Yeah, that's the whole point. You get on a boat and go out and drink beer.
No.
Yeah.
So hope I can catch a big fish like this big.
You know what? And here's the thing. You ever heard of a fish tale or a fish story?
No.
So even if you don't catch anything big, you tell people. I had one that was huge, but he got away.
See you. Gotta go. 那现在呢，要把这个船入水了，看一下它怎么把它放下去的。然后你看这个车其实有一半也要没到水里面去，这样的话这个船就直接上水了。Wow, this is so cool! Careful! Oh wow! I got that in my video. 然后现在这个是那个发动机，把船发动，我们一会儿就要上船喽。然后现在把船放下了，然后停在这里，然后我们一会儿从这儿上船。
It's either a fish or like a little school of minnows.
Oh. 所以这个可以告诉你底下有什么，是坚硬的岩石，还是有树，还是有鱼，然后从这个屏幕上就可以看出来。That's a small fish. Gonna catch it. Catch this one right here. 我们现在来到了一个桥底下，然后刚才婆婆说这个桥底下有很多鸟筑的巢，然后我们看一看，然后看看有没有 baby， 些小鸟宝宝。看，这就是一个鸟巢在这儿。你看，这样的话小鸟在底下。Where? I don't see any.
You gotta back up a little. See the nests right there? See the little heads?
然后这个鸟巢这里有鸟宝宝在里面。They're babies. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are a lot in there. 都是鸟宝宝。
Don't drop your phone.
They're so cute. They're so quiet.
You must be sleeping.
Good baby.
Oh, no one's moving.
Cute. 现在这里有一些小虫子，是那个诱饵。Wow.
Yucky.
It's okay. Yay, 小蚯蚓。钓鱼竿在这儿，我们准备开始钓鱼啦。刚才婆婆钓上来一条鱼。Where is it?
You can you hold it up? There we go.
Ooh.
This is called a walleye.
Walleye.
See how funny the eyes, and he has teeth. He has very sharp teeth.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So they bite?
Oh yeah.
Oh, wow.
See how his eye is kind of
Oh,
iridescent?
He
wow,
has
that's so cool. 钓上来一条鱼，我们再决定是要吃了它呢，还是把它放回去。It's a small fish. So is that good? Is that enough for?
It's big enough to eat. Yeah, you can keep it to eat it. All right, throw it in.
It's like
Giving me the evil eye.
把它放生喽，拜拜。
A little perch. A
婆婆
very-
刚刚又钓上了一个。So this is a perch,
This is a perch.
like little fish.
Yep.
Oh, this is pretty.
Isn't it pretty?
Yeah.
We have many lures that look like perch because the
This
fishing.
is so tiny.
Uh-huh.
Oh, bye bye, fish baby.
You'll see a lot of lures that look like that because the other fish like to eat them.
Oh no! I just got a fish. 钓上来一
Okay,
条鱼
you have to hold it.
Okay, I hold this.
Yep.
I hold the fish.
Yep.
Oh,
Yeah,
cool.
you have to hold them.
This is my first
Yeah,
fish.
see this?
They bite?
There's spines on his dorsal fin.
Oh,
They'll
okay.
poke you. Okay.
Poke me.
And his teeth are sharp.
Okay,
Don't
so-
put your
So
I hold
put
it like
under his belly.
Oh, belly.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, it's so squishy. What kind of fish is this?
Put him in front of you.
like that. Perfect.
It's a walleye.
Oh, it's a walleye. We can eat this.
It's too small.
That
Oh, it's
one's
too
too
small.
small.
It's
They
like a
have to-
baby.
Minimum is 15 inches.
Oh, thank
This
you.
was just barely minimum.
That's so cool.
I
That's
love
great.
it.
Yay, thank you.
It's
Okay.
so awesome.
Reach.
Yeah. 这个鱼太小了，所以要把它放生。So I just let my hands go. Let it
Can you put him in the water like this?
Yeah. Oh, bye bye baby.
Gone.
Bye bye. 现在我们换一种钓鱼方法。So what is this called again? This one? Trolling.
We're gonna the piece is called a rod holder.
Rod. Okay, holder.
So we have a fishing rod
Okay.
and it's a rod holder. Holds the fishing rod.
OK，所以这是一种懒人钓鱼法，我们的手就不用一直在拿着那个钓鱼竿，所以我们现在换一种钓鱼方式，然后钓其他不同种类的鱼。那这个盒子里面也有一些其他的诱饵，是这种做的仿真的小
All
鱼。
sorts. Now be careful because they're all see the sharp hooks?
Yeah.
All
Oh,
sharp
okay.
hooks.
That's so cute.
But they all have different purposes.
To catch different fish.
And some are shallow, do not go down in the water too deep.
Okay.
And then others,
Can go deep.
they can go deep.
That's so cool. Wow, more on this side.
Oh, there's
Way more over there.
oh yeah, this is
Oh, wow.
this is just the beginning.
Pretty. Oh.
See how big
Yeah,
This is?
That's big. Yeah.
this goes deep. Goes
Oh,
way deep
because
into
it's
the water.
heavy. Okay.
Well,
Or
feel it.
it's
It's
deep.
not too heavy.
Oh, but because the shape.
Yes,
Because of
as
the
the
shape.
water hits this,
so
it makes
add
it
weight there.
yeah.
Okay.
It dives down.
And makes it swim like a little fish.
Oh.
And
So
these
cool. This
are
goes shallow.
so they go. Well, this
In the
will go
water.
deep, sort of deep,
Mhm.
because it's still pretty. This is still pretty big.
Oh.
But when it's going along, the back end goes back and forth like a little fishy end.
Yeah, like a real fish.
Uh-huh.
That's so cool. 然后现在那个鱼饵已经放下去了，然后直接
Yeah.
观察，如果那个鱼线一直往外蹬很紧的话，就说明有鱼上钩了。所以现在我们直接在这儿观察就可以了。啊，
Nice.
刚才我的这个鱼钩动了，然后蹬得很紧，然后然后钓上来一条。So this is the walleye
Yep.
again.
Yep. It's a
Ooh,
walleye.
and this is a big one.
It is.
Oh, that's
good
so
size.
cool.
Yep.
然后我刚才就一直往上拉，很沉。It's so heavy, this fish. I can feel the weight. 我们现在量一下，看看有多长。
It's 17 inches.
17, so it's over than 15. We can keep this one.
Yes.
Woo! Yay!
That's
Okay.
beautiful.
There with your thumb.
Oh, my thumb.
Yeah, your thumb right there. There
Okay.
you go.
Pinch
Now
hard,
one
though.
hand under his belly.
Mm.
Okay, hold tight.
There you go.
如果鱼的长度就是它分种类，不同鱼的长度达到某一定长度之后，那你在这里钓的鱼你是可以带回家吃的，但是小的你必须要放生。然后 还有一个是因为最近这是一个就是钓鱼的季节，所以你可以这样。但是在非钓鱼的季节，不管多大多小的鱼，你钓到之后是都不可以带回家的。现在我们又换一种钓鱼方法，用这种 fake worm. That's so cool. This
Look, it's even got.
oh, this is all made from Japan.
Yep.
Wow. Wow.
So
有一点像鱿鱼的，像小鱼的
skinny worms.
Oh, that's so cool. 所以我们现在用这个 worm. And there's a worm on the hook.
Yep.
然后我们现在就放长线钓大鱼喽。那现在开始下雨了，我刚才钓上来一条很大很大的 pike 鱼，但是 Dave 说还是太小了，就把它放到海里了。但是现在因为雨下得很大，所以我们现在要回去了。这个是我刚才钓上来的鱼，然后现在我们已经回到这个小木屋了。Bo 的话，因为他没有去钓鱼，所以我们做了钓鱼的工作，所以他现在的工作呢就是要收拾这条鱼，然后我们今天的晚饭就是它喽。You have a big, nice cutting board and a nice knife.
Yep.
But Bo, look, isn't this big? I did it.
Yeah, good job.
Did you get another picture?
Not yet, but I'm making a video. Now Dave is cooking. Ooh, shrimps and steak. They look so yummy. Is this a lot of work just to flip them one by one?
It's good work.
Oh.
I don't consider this
And
work.
now you don't mind shrimps are around your steak?
Not at all.
Oh. Oh, they look so yummy. And Bo, what are you doing?
Schlepping.
Now you need to... Oh, we have the table ready. And drinks ready. So we will have yummy dinner. Oh, and my fish. We will grill my fish. Yeah.
And your fish. Absolutely. Just a little salt and pepper.
Lightly.
Oh, this is the fish I caught this morning.
That is the fish that I cleaned
Oh,
and gutted
oh yeah.
and filleted
Yes. Good job.
without your help. You didn't help me at all with that.
I did. I took pictures and videos.
That's okay.
Nah, more of this, I
Okay,
think.
for today's dinner, the walleye fish, which we caught this morning.
You caught.
Oh yay! And potatoes. We have some like shrimp, mushroom, like
Beach
mushrooms. They're little. And this is our vegetable bowl. Has a lot of different vegetables, and this is yummy. This we have steak and shrimps. Yum yum yum. We're gonna enjoy our dinner.
Oh, I felt like slap your mama on the veggies, didn't I?
Did you put something there on the shrimp or no?
Morning, morning.
Ow!
All right. Today is rainy.
It's not big, it's just a lot.
Yeah,
it's not big
I don't
drops.
know if you can see from my video, but it's raining.
But
like,
you get wet,
look.
definitely.
So we're not doing anything today, and today is our last day at the camp.
We're cleaning and packing.
Yeah, cleaning, packing, and now we're going to like a very not nice, but very
Not nice.
special diner. Has very good food.
It's cheap, it's good food, yeah.
Yeah, we will have breakfast over there, which has the best French toast and hash. And we're going there. Our menu. French toast.
Here you go. You're all set?
Thank you. 这个是 French toast 法式吐司，然后这个是 hash， 就是一种牛肉土豆。Yum yum yum. I thought you have a garage opener, so you give that back, right?
Yeah, I think I should give you one before.
Yeah.
I should give you one today.
Alright, breakfast was so yummy, and now we're heading back. 马上要离开了，现在我们做最后的打扫，然后Bo在吸地，把所有东西都规整到位，然后床单换，地面打扫，然后这里脏的杯子全部都洗一下，放回到原处。
Let's try to catch David.
把水池弄干净，然后垃圾带出去，马上回家啦！假期结束。You have a garbage? Oh. I'll do it.
Thank you very much for doing that.
You're welcome. Thank you.
And we're gonna
And you can just leave it there or dry them.
I think we'll just leave it.
Okay.
But we should unplug the microwave and unplug
Microwave. Okay.
unplug
Every electronic stuff.
Got my kitchen.
所有的东西断电。拜拜，我们的房间也打扫干净，床单都换过了。下次见喽。
You throw this in the back of my
厕所打扫干净，拜拜。
Your family comes, it might be the next time we're up here.
Hope so, yeah. All done, clean and nice.